great to see you. Let me ask you, what's the challenge of advertising in cable TV, and what are you guys trying to solve?
Well, the challenge we're trying to solve is to bring interactive television to America. And so we're really interested in seeing if we can make your TV experience fundamentally different. The challenge really is to get the 6 largest cable TV footprints in America to be interoperable. The cable TV infrastructure in America is very heterogeneous. Different set-top boxes, different ways that cable signal gets into your house. So we face, first of all, a fundamental technological challenge to get the 6 biggest cable TV company systems, coast to coast, California to Long Island, to become interoperable and to communicate with each other.
So what's the value either to marketers or to the cable companies? What's the goal of this new ecosystem?
Well, the goal, we think, is to really get television back in the game, right? I mean, if you look at the where the heat and the energy and the excitement has been in the advertising business, I think it's fair to say that the internet really has been the place where people have been looking for innovation and people have found kind of new business models in advertising. TV wants to get back in the game. We want to get back in the game from a data perspective and get more accurate data on who's watching TV and really be able to look at even the long tail TV networks and get accuracy there, as well as bring new functionality to television, interactivity, the ability to imagine watching an infomercial and the ability to click a button on your remote control and enter a PIN code and be able to buy a ShamWow or a Slap Chop or a Snuggie using your remote control. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what's coming to your television set in the very near future. Right now, we're really still in kind of the engineering phase and getting what's called EBIF, which is a common bit of software downloaded into set-top boxes. Now, that's a big deal, right? That means that the same software is in a Time Warner box, that's in a Cablevision box, that's in a Comcast box. So we're right now in kind of an engineering phase. But look for us to make a real difference in your television set later this year. So we're closer than I think a lot of people think. And we'll be able to bring these new interactive applications where you can vote for American Idol with your remote control, or be a part of a poll on CNN, or be part of a trivia contest on the History Channel, or click a button and get a coupon or a DVD or a free sample of a product. These are all things that are going to start coming to your TV set before, in some cases, some of those things are going to come before the end of this year.
What are some of the models that you see emerging successfully in online video?
Well, I think online video is starting to grow up. I think we're kind of to be Churchillian about it, maybe we're at the end of the beginning and we're entering the middle of the beginning. So I think it's fair to say it's still early, right? I think the first question that really online video is starting to answer is, how do you integrate commercial persuasion into the content stream, right? I mean, right now, pre-roll seems to be the notion, right? You put an ad in front of the stream. That business model is the first thing that we really need to focus on, and I think we're beginning to see some traction. The second thing is really how many ads can be in a stream. I mean, one of the real challenges with television is that, the average hour of TV has about 20 minutes of non-program time. Did you know that? Average hour, 20 minutes, about 14 minutes of ads and about 6 minutes of station promotion, tune in next week to see. 20 minutes of non-program time. Online video, if you look at online video, you're talking about what, four ads an hour in some cases, or the amount of ads are different. So I think we're seeing mass distribution, and there's no question we're seeing a lot of traffic to the online video sites. But I think right now the state of play is what is going to be how are we going to integrate commercial persuasion into the way that's non-disruptive to the user experience?